Is the power button on your Samsung S21 not working? Maybe the button is damaged, stuck, or has simply stopped responding. In this situation, one of the biggest problems is figuring out how to turn the phone back on. You may have already searched online and found a popular trick. The trick says to hold the volume buttons and connect your Samsung to a computer. After a few seconds, the phone should enter download mode. Then you are supposed to press volume down and restart the device. Sounds easy, right? Unfortunately, there is a catch. A lot of these tutorials were created for older Samsung software, and the same instructions may not work on newer Android versions. After updating to Android 15 or Android 16. Some users may discover that the phone doesn't restart the way it does in those older videos. So what can you do if the power button doesn't work? There is a very simple alternative. If your phone is still turned on, you can wait until the battery is completely discharged. You don't need to install anything. You don't need a computer, and you don't need another smartphone. Simply leave the Samsung turned on. If the display is constantly active, the battery should drain relatively quickly. Once the battery reaches zero, the phone will automatically shut down. Now connect the Samsung to a regular charger, and this part is important. Don't expect it to turn on instantly. Leave it connected and wait. Depending on the model, the phone may first show the battery charging screen. After that, it may automatically boot into Android. This can be a useful workaround when the only problem is the physical power button. Of course, if your phone doesn't automatically start after charging, the exact behavior can depend on the Samsung model and software version. But if you have already tried the popular computer and download mode method without success, this is definitely something worth trying. So before you give up on your Samsung, let the battery completely discharge, connect the charger, and give the phone some time to start. If this trick helped you, leave your Samsung model in the comments. And subscribe to the channel for more simple Android tutorials.